Hey geeks, if you're looking to get your very first real camera, specifically as a creator, there's so many things that you have to consider. And so today I want to give you my thoughts on what the top 3 features that you should look for as a creator. Whether you're creating here on YouTube, Rumble, or any other platform, I feel that if you have these 3 top features, then you're pretty much good to go, because today modern cameras, even the ones that are less expensive, give you amazing video and photo quality. So the first feature that I think is absolutely a must-have if you're going to be doing these type of videos is reliable autofocus. I can't tell you how important that is, because most people, we are solo creators, and especially if you're in an environment like this where you're outdoors, you're walking out and about, you definitely want to make sure that the autofocus is on point and gets you reliably like most of the time. And at least for me, the top companies that do video autofocus is typically going to be Sony, Canon, and now I would say Panasonic, which is what I have, a Panasonic S5 2X. And so that is the first and most important thing. The second thing is stabilization. So this is a perfect example of that, where I'm outside a lot, I'm walking, and sometimes I'm running, and so having excellent stabilization is so important. And most of the videos that I create, I'm just holding it. I don't have a gimbal. I do have a mini tripod, but I just want to make it as simple as possible, and having excellent stabilization is very, very important. And in this case, I would say the best that does stabilization is going to be Panasonic and Olympus. However, Sony stabilization is getting so much better, and Canon and Nikon, I think they're good as well. And then the final thing that I think is important that might be overlooked by some people is having some type of weather sealing. Because if you are going to be outdoors or different type of environments, having some type of weather sealing is going to be super important, especially when you're in those situations where bad weather comes and you could potentially damage your camera if you don't have that. So those are my top 3 features that I think you should look for in cameras if you are going to be a creator doing these type of videos. If you actually had any thoughts on this or any other features that you think you must have as a creator, be sure to leave in the comments area below, and I'll see you on another episode. Hey geeks, if you are a brand new creator and you simply want something easy to get you started, well, I got something for you with my Creator Starter Kit. This is a super simple step-by-step guide that's going to take you from having no channel to developing your very first YouTube channel, along with ideas, thumbnail designs, and other creator tips, including marketing. And the best part is, all of this is free. Simply head over to the link below, check out my page, and get started creating.